Hello, and welcome to our channel. We're excited to have you here with us today. We've invested a significant amount of time, effort, and resources into preparing this video, and we can't wait to share all the insights and creativity we've crafted for you. Today, we'll be diving into the fascinating world of mini woodworking products, with a particular focus on the advantages of upcycling. Upcycling scrap wood not only plays a crucial role in reducing waste and promoting sustainability, but it also opens up a realm of creative possibilities as you transform discarded materials into stunning, functional items. Our goal is to bring you engaging content that inspires and informs, and your support is invaluable in helping us achieve that. If you're new to our channel, we encourage you to hit that subscribe button so you can stay updated on all our latest videos. Your subscription helps us grow and continue creating high-quality content tailored for you. For our returning viewers, thank you for your ongoing support. If you enjoy what you see today, please give us a thumbs up. It truly makes a difference and motivates us to keep delivering exceptional material. Make sure to stick around until the end of the video. We have some exciting insights and surprises waiting for you. Your engagement means the world to us, and we can't wait to hear your thoughts in the comments below. Let's dive in and embark on this creative journey together. Upcycling scrap wood is a rewarding and creative practice that allows woodworkers to breathe new life into leftover materials. As the world becomes increasingly aware of environmental issues, the trend of upcycling has gained momentum. This approach not only reduces waste but also promotes sustainability in woodworking, making it an appealing choice for hobbyists and professionals alike. Understanding upcycling. Upcycling involves transforming discarded or leftover materials into new products of higher value or quality. In the context of woodworking, this means taking scrap wood, pieces that are too small or damaged for traditional use, and repurposing them into functional or decorative items. This process encourages innovation, as woodworkers must find ways to utilize materials that may seem unusable at first glance. The environmental impact. One of the most significant benefits of upcycling scrap wood is its positive impact on the environment. By repurposing wood, you help reduce the demand for new lumber, which in turn lessens deforestation and habitat destruction. Furthermore, using scrap wood minimizes waste in landfills, contributing to a more sustainable lifestyle. This eco-friendly approach resonates with many people who are looking to make more conscious choices in their consumption. Cost-effectiveness. Upcycling scrap wood is also highly cost-effective. New wood can be expensive, and for beginners, investing in high-quality materials can be daunting. By using leftover pieces, woodworkers can save money while still creating beautiful and functional items. This affordability allows for experimentation and creativity, encouraging more people to engage in woodworking without the financial burden. Fostering creativity. Working with scrap wood often requires creativity and problem-solving skills. When faced with limited materials, woodworkers are challenged to think outside the box and come up with innovative solutions. This process can lead to unique designs that might not have emerged from working with standard materials. Embracing the challenge of scrap wood can enhance your creativity and push the boundaries of your woodworking skills. Basic techniques for upcycling. To effectively upcycle scrap wood, it's essential to familiarize yourself with basic woodworking techniques. These include measuring, cutting, sanding, and joining. Understanding these foundational skills will enable you to work more efficiently and confidently with scrap materials. Practice is key. The more you work with wood, the more adept you'll become at handling various techniques. Joinery techniques. Joinery is a crucial aspect of woodworking that involves connecting different pieces of wood together. For upcycling projects, learning basic joinery techniques such as butt joints, lap joints, and dowel joints can enhance the strength and stability of your creations. Mastering these methods will allow you to create more complex and durable projects, transforming scrap wood into lasting pieces. Shaping and carving. Shaping and carving scrap wood can add artistic flair to your projects. Using hand tools or power tools, you can create intricate designs that elevate the aesthetic appeal of your items. Whether you choose to carve decorative patterns or simply shape the wood, this technique can turn a simple piece into a work of art. Experimenting with different shapes and styles can lead to unique creations. Sanding and finishing techniques. Proper sanding and finishing are essential for achieving a polished look in your upcycled projects. Sanding removes rough edges and imperfections, while finishing enhances the natural beauty of the wood. Consider using stains, paints, or sealants to protect your items and add a personal touch. Experimenting with different finishes can significantly change the appearance of your projects. Types of projects to consider. There are countless projects you can undertake with scrap wood, ranging from functional items to decorative pieces. Consider creating home decor items like picture frames, wall art, or decorative shelves. Alternatively, functional projects such as coasters or utensil holders can add practicality to your space. The possibilities are endless, limited only by your imagination. Home decor ideas. Creating home decor items from scrap wood can be both satisfying and stylish. Picture frames made from reclaimed wood can add a rustic charm to your home, while wall art can serve as a conversation starter. Decorative shelves can showcase your favorite items, adding both function and style to your living space. Each project allows you to personalize your home with unique, handmade pieces. Functional items. In addition to decor, functional items made from scrap wood can greatly enhance your daily life. Consider crafting small furniture pieces like stools or side tables, which can be both practical and beautiful. Items like coasters, key holders, or utensil organizers can help keep your space organized while showcasing your woodworking skills. Functional projects often see daily use, providing ongoing satisfaction. Garden accessories. Upcycling scrap wood can also extend to outdoor projects. Consider making garden accessories such as planters, birdhouses, or garden markers. These projects not only beautify your outdoor space, but can also attract wildlife and promote a healthy garden ecosystem. Crafting items for your garden allows you to connect with nature while utilizing leftover materials. Safety considerations. Safety should always be a priority when working with scrap wood. Ensure you wear protective gear such as gloves, goggles, and a dust mask to safeguard against potential hazards. Keep your workspace organized and free from clutter to reduce the risk of accidents. Familiarize yourself with the tools you're using and follow all safety guidelines for each tool. Assessing wood quality. Before starting any project, it's vital to assess the quality of your scrap wood. Look for pieces that are free from significant damage, rot, or pests, as these issues can affect the integrity of your final product. Evaluating the wood's condition will help you determine which pieces are suitable for your projects and which should be discarded. Planning and design. Having a clear plan or design in mind can streamline the upcycling process. Sketching out ideas or making a list of needed materials can help you visualize your project and ensure you're using your scrap wood efficiently. Planning can also prevent wasted time and materials, allowing for a more enjoyable woodworking experience. Trial and error. Upcycling is a learning process that often involves trial and error. Don't be discouraged if a project doesn't turn out as planned. Instead, view it as an opportunity to learn. Each mistake can provide valuable insights that improve your skills and understanding of woodworking. Embrace the journey and celebrate your progress, no matter how small. Building a community. Engaging with a community of woodworkers can enhance your upcycling experience. Whether online or in person, connecting with others who share your passion can provide inspiration, support, and valuable feedback. Consider joining woodworking forums, social media groups, or local clubs to share ideas, challenges, and successes. Exploring local resources. Many local resources offer workshops, classes, or materials for woodworking enthusiasts. Check with community centers, libraries, or craft stores to find opportunities to enhance your skills and learn from experienced instructors. Taking advantage of these resources can expand your knowledge and provide hands-on experience. Thank you for watching the video. We truly appreciate your time and attention, and we hope you found the content both enjoyable and informative. If you liked what you saw, please consider subscribing to our channel for more exciting videos in the future. Your support helps us continue creating high-quality content that you love. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video, as this motivates us to keep improving and delivering even more valuable insights. We'd love to hear your thoughts, so feel free to leave a comment below with your feedback or any suggestions for future content. Thanks again for being a part of our community, and we can't wait to see you in the next video.